MCC Just Motos. I use this bike to commute, and because I use it to commute, I have to use my phone for navigation. There is no really beautiful or great way to get a phone mounted on the front there. It just is not. If I put it there or there or there, it just doesn't work. So I use SP Connect, and I'll show you how it looks. But that is one of the advantages of using SP Connect, is they have a chrome mounting bracket, anti-vibration damper that kind of blends into the triple clamp there. So that's what it looks like. My phone sits right on top of there and it snaps right in. And then because of that, you can see there is a USB-C to USB-C, and I have a wire that mounts right there that I can plug my phone into. So let me show you how my phone works. So there's the back of my phone, SP Connect. It's a proprietary, it's pretty thin. I'm gonna have to just put it on, and you'll see it just fits right there, and anti-vibration, which will keep the camera from getting out of sorts. And then you just plug it in, and that's it. So does it look good? No, it doesn't. But there is no way to make a phone look good on this motorcycle, but it's what I use for commuting, so it's the best of the worst, I guess, right? We'll catch you in the next episode. Please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.